Today we discuss some important question of topic reproduction. So first question, write the function of hormone testosterone and estrogen. So first you know that testosterone secreted from the testes and estrogen secreted from the ovary. Testosterone is known as the male sex hormone which play an important role in the formation of sperm. What it form? Sperm, and also play a role in development of reproductive organ and secondary sexual character. That is a function of testosterone. The next, estrogen, that is female sex hormone secreted from the ovary. From the ovary, what is their function? That play a role in development of secondary sexual character and reproductive organs in female. So that is first question, very important. Second one, find out the male and female reproductive parts. So first one is there ovary. Ovary is present in the female. From the female. Seminal vesicles, that is present in the male. Vas deferens, that is a part of male reproductive system. Cervix, it is a part of female. Fallopian tube and oviduct, that is a part of female. We also discuss their role. Ovary, that is one pair of ovary, that each one of the ovary producing one ovum in every month, and also secrete hormone estrogen. Seminal vesicles, that is present in the male, that is accessory gland that secretes seminal fluid. So most of the semen containing seminal fluid which provide energy for the sperm. Vas deferens, that is a tube-like structure present in the male. Cervix, that is a lower part of the female reproductive system. Fallopian tube or oviduct, that receives the ovum when ovary produce it. So that is a function of each. What happened in menstrual cycle? First you know what is menstrual cycle. So in the menstrual cycle, discharge of blood from the vagina. Discharge of blood from the vagina due to the breakdown of ovum and uterus wall. That is called menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle takes place in every month. So in the female, ovary produce one ovum in every month. If simultaneously fertilization is take place, then uterus wall is thick to receiving the zygote. If fertilization does not take place, then this uterus wall and ovum are break down, which is discharged along with blood from the vagina. That is called menstrual cycle. Very important. Another question. What is STD? And write their prevention and control. What is STD? That full form is sexually transmitted diseases. So those diseases which are transferred from one person to another person during the time of unsafe sexual activity, that is called STD, like syphilis, gonorrhea and HIV. Write their prevention and control. Avoid the sex with unknown and multiple partners, using the barriers during the time of sex, like condom. This also prevent sexually transmitted diseases. Maintain also maintain proper sex practices, proper hygienic during the time of sex. So that is STD and their prevention and control. Another, write the methods of birth control. So there is many methods like chemical methods, barrier methods and surgical method. What happened in the barrier methods? So in the barrier method, it prevent the mating of ovum and sperm, so fertilization does not take place. In the case of male, that is a thin rubber-like structure that is used during the time of copulation, worn over the penis, that is condom. In female, that is cervical cap, which is placed over the cervix. Another method, that is chemical method, that is called contraceptive pill. That is small pill which is taking orally, that may prevent the release of ovum from the ovary also prevent the entry of sperm, making the condition of uterus unfavorable. There is chemical method, and another there is surgical method. In the surgical method, like vasectomy and tubectomy. What do you mean of vasectomy? Cut the small portion of the vas deferens in the male and cut and tight so the sperm cannot move and doesn't reach to the uterus. And in the tubectomy, that is fallopian tube, small portion cut and tight so ovum cannot reach to the fallopian tube. So that is 3 methods. Another one, give the example of vegetative propagation and their advantage. What is mean of vegetative propagation? That is methods, sexual method used in the case of plant. Vegetative parts of the plant are developed into the new plant. That is called vegetative propagation. So in the stem, like underground stem, we taking in potato, rhizome in ginger, root example that is dahlia, sweet potato, radish, leaf buds in bryophyllum, cutting that is artificial method in banana and rose, layering in jasmine, strawberry. So that is examples. What is their advantage? Advantage of this method that you can produce large number of plant in a less time. That is a cheap method. Same type of plant, same type of progeny can be produced. Good variety also produce. Another methods, you can develop those plant which allow the ability to produce seed. So that is advantage of vegetative propagation. What type of changes take place during the time of puberty? What is puberty? The changes take place the time when girls and boys are sexually mature and reproductive organs are developed. That is a stage is called puberty. So that a stage of puberty, that many changes in girls and boys take place, like ovary and testes are start developing, reproductive organs, secondary reproductive organs start mature and developing, hormones also secreted. So in the boys, pitch of the voice are changes, facial hairs is come, broadness of the shoulders, and in the female, mammary glands are developed, hip are shoulder broad. So that is changing. So write down is the question in their fair notes. Okay, thank you.